Jennifer has several installer packages, which are PHP Agent package for the PHP platform applications, .NET Agent package for the application built by .NET Platform, Java Agent package for Java Platform applications, Agent package for Python and Node.js, and also Jennifer Server package to manage and store the data. At this moment, I'll show you how to install Jennifer Agent for PHP platform application. I'm developing a PHP application called Syndipose. The application is ready for deployment, and I want to test and monitor my app with Jennifer. Let's start the installation process. Before installing, we have to unzip the PHP Agent package. Then we'll get a directory called agent.php. Go to the agent.php directory. Run the install.php script file and designate the absolute path of the PHP configuration file. Type dot if you want the PHP agent installed in the current directory. Otherwise, you can input an absolute directory path you want. For now, I'll install it in the current directory. There will be a confirmation message afterward. Check the PHP version and version of the agent to be installed. If everything is correct, input yes. After the installation is complete, we need to modify Jennifer configuration file. Now, open the jennifer.config file. Enter the server IP address where you install the Jennifer server. Enter the port with the port of the Jennifer data server. 5000 is the default port. If you change the port when installing the Jennifer data server, make sure to enter the same port here. You can change the default domain ID within the valid integer range. 1000 is the default domain ID. We can keep the instance ID empty and assigned automatically from the server. But, we can change it as you want with an integer within the valid range. I'll change it and assign it to 10002 for my application. After done modifying, save the changes and close the configuration file. Next, restart the Apache server. After restarting the Apache server, a log file is created in the log directory. When the access between the agent and the data server is completed, you can see the following message in the log file. Now, let's go to the Jennifer dashboard. First, we need to configure the domain. Click the domain setting, then click Add button. Input the same information from the Jennifer configuration file for the domain ID, data server IP address, and data server port. Give it a name so that it can be distinguished from another domain. After finishing, save the changes. Now, the app is shown in the dashboard. But, Jennifer doesn't monitor the app because it needs a license key to be fully functioning. To enter the license, go to the Setting menu, then choose License from the Jennifer Server section. Make sure you choose the correct data server for the license, then click Add button. Input the license key in the key field, then save the changes. Reload or refresh the dashboard. Now, there's no license alert anymore. If you want to rename the application name that is shown as its instance ID, go to the Setting menu. Choose Instance from the Monitoring Target section, then set the name as you want. Save the changes after you've done. If there are activities or transactions from the application, Jennifer will monitor it and shows the activities in the dashboard in real time. That's the end of the installation process. Isn't it easy? We'll show you the installation process for the other application platforms in separate videos. See you.